Hello kids, welcome back to your channel Islam Stationed. Today our story is about Mother Duck and her baby about baking. Once upon a time, a mother duck and her baby were playing in the garden. After some time, the baby duck got bored and wanted to play something else. Mother Duck gave the idea of baking cake. The whole kitchen got filled with happiness. They gathered all the ingredients. The ingredients of cake are flour, eggs, sugar, there's salt, butter, baking powder, vanilla essence, milk. Mix all the ingredients in a big bowl. Now put the mixed batter into the oven and wait for 20 minutes. When the cake was baked, Mother Duck said, "We should share our cake with our neighbors." Mother and baby duck shared their cake with their neighbor, who was a mother penguin. When they reached home, baby duck asked why we shared our cake. Mother Duck explained that it is in the Islamic teachings that we should take care of others and benefits them. Thanks for watching, kids. See you next time with another interesting story.